How to fix CapCut smooth slow motion not working. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix CapCut smooth slow motion not working. First, go to the App Store, check for updates, and install the latest version of CapCut. When adding slow motion, choose the optical flow option. This helps create smoother slow motion effects. Next, allow CapCut to process the video with optical flow. This might take a few moments. Now, ensure the original video is of high quality. Poor quality videos can result in choppy slow motion effects. Then, close CapCut completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Lastly, go to your device's settings, find CapCut, and clear its cache. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.